So today we are going to talk on overthinking, and this is one of the topic that needs to be addressed because I guess many of us have been seeing our friends and loved ones who have been overthinkers, and they are not able to deal with their problems that they come in their daily routine life, and they are constantly either stuck in the past or they are constantly worried about what is going to happen in the future, but they are nowhere in the present. So being a healer, being a therapist, I have always, I always tell my clients who have this tendency of overthinking, कि where are you in your present moment? Why are you constantly dwelling in your past, or why are you so much worried about your future? If you are not in your present, then there is no point of thinking about your future also. And the past is past, and you should take it as a history. You have learned some beautiful lessons, and you need to set and release those pains and trauma. But overthinker takes time to deal with the situation because they have formed this habit of constantly dwelling into the problem itself only. So if whether it's their relationship, or whether it's finances or their health, anything that comes in, they start questioning themselves, what if this happens, or what similar pattern happens in my current relationship or in my finances, or what if my health gets destroyed, and what if I die, what is going to happen in the future, what will happen to my loved ones if I die. So these are the questions that a overthinker keeps thinking about. So either they are in their past or they are in their future, but they are nowhere in their present. So for an overthinker, they need to come back into your present. You need to bring your awareness back into your present day. You need to do activities that keeps you in your present moment, like you do a mindfulness meditation, do yoga, dancing, any activities that keeps you in your present moment. Don't think constantly about what has happened in the past, because past is past and it is over. You come back into your present. So it's like a taking baby step towards taking care of yourself, and if you're not able to help yourself, take help from a counselor, therapist, anyone whom you trust. You open up and tell them their issue, that you have a tendency of overthinking about any problem that comes up in your life, because every problem has a solution. Don't be person who is constantly dwelling in the problem. Try to solve your problems by creating a lot of positive vibrations within you, by trusting yourself, because an overthinker has a tendency of low self-esteem, low self-confidence. You feel your self-worth is also on a lower side, and due to this you don't trust yourself, and you look for a lot of validations, and you look for help from the outer sources. But you need to reconnect with yourself. You need to give validation to your own self. You don't need to seek it from the outer world. And as I say, do mindful activities that keeps you in your present, because every problem has a solution, just that you need to be with yourself. And if you don't resolve your overthinking, or you don't take a step towards this problem of yours, you will always witness a lot of anxiousness within you. You will get anxiety attack. You have sleepless nights. So this is something that you need to understand, and you need to take help before it's too late, because this is going to impact your physical body also. So if your mental body is not in a balanced state, and you are constantly overthinking, and you are always finding yourself on a lower frequency, surrounded with a lot of negative thoughts, you will see that even your physical body is reacting to it. So why do you want to harm yourself and create so much problems within your own self? Rather take help, take guidance, and I'm sure you can overcome with this situation also. I hope this video was helpful, and if you wish to discuss more on it, you can definitely DM me or drop a personal message. We can talk more on it. You can connect with me. We can do a one-on-one session, and we can understand what is your situation, and I can surely help to give you guidance to how you can overcome your overthinking problem. Till then, you guys take care. Atma Namaste to all.